Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of getting the link of your Snapchat account. Whether you want to share your Snapchat profile with friends or promote it on other platforms, this full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, you'll notice a share button located in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. A menu will appear with various sharing options. Tap on Copy to copy the link of your Snapchat account. Step 5. Now, you can paste the link wherever you want to share it. You can send it to your friends through messaging apps, post it on social media, or add it to your website. Getting the link of your Snapchat account allows you to easily share it with others, helping them find and connect with you on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.